Welcome back. It's art time, class. Today, we're going to be glazing pinch pots. Let's get started. To begin, you're going to have a canvas board, pinch pot, paintbrush, and up to 2 colors. The color options are brown, pink, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, white, and black. Here's what 3 layers of glaze looks like. Notice the paintbrush strokes are still visible. Here's 2 layers of glaze. Notice some of the under texture that was left on the clay is visible. Here is 1 layer of glaze. And this is when you use the leftover glaze from a paintbrush and put it on. To begin, you might want to start by flipping over your pinch pot and painting the outside edge. I'm either going to put glaze right onto your pot, or I'll put glaze into a cup for you. You'll notice the glaze starts absorbing immediately. You do not paint the bottom of your pinch pot. If you do get glaze on the bottom of your pinch pot, I will be sure to wipe it away before firing. If there was glaze on the bottom of your pinch pot when it was fired, it would glue itself to any surface that it was touching. So you may not put glaze on the bottom of your pinch pot because that would glue it to the shelf in the kiln. And I would have to break the pinch pot to remove it from the shelf. You may not paint the bottom of your pinch pot. Okay, there's 2 layers there. I'm going to go ahead and flip mine over. Notice I did get a little bit on the bottom, and that's okay. I will wipe that away before firing. And I think I want to do orange on the inside. It should take 1 to 2 weeks for me to finish firing our glazed pinch pots. So you should get it back before Mother's Day. If you're making this as a gift, be sure to think about your color choice for the person you're going to be giving this to. You'll have the choice between 2 of these colors. If you need more glaze, be sure to raise your hand. I will be moving around the room looking for hands raised. If you call out my name, I will not go to you any sooner. I will be looking for those following the expectations by sitting in their chair, raising their hand, and waiting patiently. Those friends will be first. Okay. As I put my finger on the pinch pot, I want to be sure to go back over and cover up that fingerprint that I left behind. Before the end of class, we will take our trays back to the art room and have a chance to wash our hands free of the glaze. It is very important that we wash our hands in the art room where the sink has a special trap to catch any of the glaze so that we don't ruin the pipes in the bathroom. That would be very bad. Here's what it looks like when it's done and dry. This is so exciting. Till next time, class, keep being creative.